there is nothing new that capturing data insights have become a crucial strategy for organizations, whether it is about analyzing the current market trends, understanding the customers, or working on strategic future planning. And this makes a career in data analytics compelling for many, with various exciting career paths to choose from. Business analyst and data analyst are two roles that tops the list. The line of difference between the careers of a business analyst and a data analyst might be blurred, but it doesn't change the fact that these two are different. Both the roles of business and data analysts are suitable for candidates who are analytical and critical thinkers and are keen to look deep into problems to uncover a solution. So hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today in this video, we will take a deeper look at both these job roles, their key responsibilities and their skills so that you can understand the difference better. Business analysts are professionals who are more centered on working with and managing an organization's business operations. Their primary responsibility is to analyze the data in a way that they can find suitable solutions to existing business challenges. It is common for organizations to call business analysts their problem solvers. Business analysts performs the following responsibilities: business model analysis, business development, process design, roadmap design, system analysis, and quality control. Let me now share the common skill that you need to excel if you want to become a business analyst. Strong Microsoft Excel, Word, and PowerPoint skills, data research and analysis, proven SAP skills, strong communication skills, SQL or SQL proficiency, a quantitative and analytical mindset, and project management. Let's now explore the role of a data analyst. Data analysts have job roles that require them to work more closely with data. While a business analyst uses insights to plan out business decisions, the role of a data analyst would be less strategic than that. Organizations value data analysts more because of their technical abilities. Their skills include statistical analysis, excellent programming skills, data visualizations, and an understanding of analytical processes. Data analysts perform the following responsibilities: data collection, data cleaning, data processing and modeling, data analysis and reporting. Let me now share the common skills that you need to excel if you want to become a data analyst. Advanced Excel and Microsoft Office skills, a blend of intellectual curiosity, analytical skills and reporting acumen, solid SQL or CQL, R and Python experience, familiarity with machine learning, MapReduce and other large-scale data frameworks, a strong understanding of data mining techniques, experience in working with agile development methodology. With organizations becoming more data focused, the demand for these job roles will grow soon. When it comes to choosing a career between business analyst or data analyst, then if you are more of a business oriented person, the business analyst role is suitable for you. But if you are a person keen to work on the technical aspects of a business, turn towards the role of the data analyst. If you wish to excel in your field and become a leader with data, IT, CRM and core management skills, LearnOx, a new venture of cloud analogy in collaboration with ForceBolt, is the right place to help you get started. LearnOx is one of the finest learning and skill development platforms that offers varied value-added and knowledge-driven training programs to help you achieve a successful career and land your dream job. Visit the website now. Do like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that we can always stay connected and you don't miss out on anything interesting from us at ForceBolt.